Author Gabriel Garcia Marquez said, "The heart's memory eliminates the bad and magnifies the good." Philosopher Thomas Carlyle said, "The heart always sees before the head can see." And in David Copperfield, Charles Dickens wrote, "A loving heart was better and stronger than wisdom." You are entering a changing world that will require you to lead the way with fortitude, compassion, character that's only found in a strong heart. As you change the world, understand that life isn't perfect, and you are not on life's journey alone. And as you navigate your own course through the many triumphs and trials of life, put your heart into your work and never be faint of heart.